Welcome to a short video on customizing the Start menu in Windows 10. When you access the Start menu for the first time, you will see a lot of tiles. Many of them you may or may not want. This can be very daunting and confusing. What if we could add and remove icons to suit our needs and be able to organize and label them in a way that makes sense to us? We can easily do this. Removing unwanted programs from the Start menu is quite easy. Find any program tile that you may not want in the Start menu. Right-click the tile and select Unpin from Start. You'll see the tile disappear. This doesn't remove the program from the computer, it only removes it from the Start menu. You can always add a tile back at a later time if you prefer. Let's remove all the tiles we may not want to appear in the Start menu. Remember, just right-click a tile and select Unpin from Start. Now let's add the programs we do want in the Start menu. Find the program you want in the list of programs. Right-click your program and select Pin to Start. You'll notice your program show up in the Start menu. It's just that easy. Now when you click on the Start menu, you can click on the tile and open your program. Let's add a number of programs to the Start menu. Remember, scroll to the program you want, right-click the program icon, and click Pin to Start. If you're having difficulty finding the program you want, simply click on the Start menu and just start typing the program that you want. When you see it in the list, right-click it and Pin to Start. Now that we've added and removed wanted and unwanted programs from the Start menu, we can scroll up and down to find our programs. Alternatively, we may want to change the size of the Start menu so we can more easily see our tiles. We do this by hovering our mouse over the right side of the Start menu until it changes to a two-headed arrow. As soon as it changes, click and drag your Start menu to the right. How far you can drag will depend on the physical size of your screen. When you change the size of the Start menu, the tiles will automatically rearrange to fit. Not only can you add programs to the Start menu, but you can add locations as well. For example, if you want to add a shortcut to your Documents folder, simply find your Documents, right-click the icon, and select Pin to Start. Your documents will now appear in your Start menu. You can do the same for other locations as well, such as a drive letter, or your Pictures or Music folder. We can now rearrange the tiles to suit our needs. Simply place them where you want them by clicking and dragging them. Notice that our tiles are in groups. In our case here, there are two groups of tiles. If you want to create a new group, move a tile until you see a horizontal line. At this point, release the tile and you've started a new group of tiles. This can be very convenient for grouping and organizing similar programs or locations together. Once we have our tiles organized into groups, We can label each group with a name that makes sense to us. Simply click over a group and a title bar will appear. Type the name you want to appear over that group. Press enter when you're done. With our tiles sorted into groups, we may want to move a group to another location. Do this by placing your mouse over the title of the group, click and drag. When you have the group of icons in the location you want it, release. Most tiles can be resized. To resize, right-click a tile, select Resize, and choose the size you want. Some tiles have less options and sizes than others, so don't be alarmed if you can resize one tile to a particular size, but not another. You can also add and remove icons from your taskbar. To do this, find the program you want to add, right-click it, select More, and select Pin to Taskbar. To remove an icon from the taskbar, simply right-click it and select Unpin from Taskbar. You can reorder the icons on the taskbar by clicking and dragging them left or right. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.